Classmates, the cooperative learning strategy I had this week was Roundtable. Roundtable is a technique used for brainstorming, reviewing, or practicing an idea or skill. What you do during this strategy is work with group members, sharing your response to the question or idea. You can do this orally or by writing out your responses on a piece of paper or a whiteboard. Once you write responses, you pass your paper or whiteboard on to your group member clockwise. Once they write their response, they pass it on to the next group member. You continue this process until the teacher says stop. Once the original is returned, the students read the comments from the group and share the collective sense of what was said in a group about the topic or questions. Sharing ideas ensures items are not repeated and time is not wasted. Roundtable is most effective when used in a carefully sequenced series of activities. This activity builds positive interdependence among team members because of the shared writing surface. It also builds team cohesion and reinforces the power of teamwork because students can see in action the value of multiple viewpoints and ideas. Now, one way you can use this in the classroom is by asking a question such as, what could you do to reduce the amount of water that you use? Students will work in a small group to respond to the same question at the same time on their own whiteboard. Once they write their response to the question, they will pass it on to the next group member. This will continue until the teacher says stop. Once all students have written answers, they will share aloud with the class.